Efendim abi? Fenomen olacağım baba, TikTok çekiyoruz ama. Çek memur abiyi de. Çek memur abiyi de. Zengin olacağım. Ay! Amına koyayım, yarın bir gün televizyonda adam. Turkish. 30. Oğlum yine mi? Hayır, yok. Tamam, yok da gidin. Yok, kapattık dükkanı. Vay Allah.
He's getting rude because he's making so much money now, so he doesn't care that much. He says he's coming back now.
Allah belanı
To
versin.
get some glass.
Baba, where are you from? Pakistan.
Yes, I am.
Neresi? Sivas mı?
Just back.
Buyurun.
They just dropped two. There you go.
Thank you.
Okay,
For
okay.
discount.
Yeah, discount is good. Yeah.
Talap tasit. Alam başla. Talap tasit. Pam 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 pam.
Hadi.
Pam pam.
Ice, would you like ice?
Yes, please.
One
Vay
orange.
babanın.
Two.
One orange.
Okay. Two.
Maşallah.
15. 10 lira.
Bugün ne sikeceğiz? Buyurun efendim. Bugün ne sikeceğimizi öğreniyoruz. Ne sıkacağız bugün? Bugün ne sıkacağız? Buyurun.
Abi,
Portakal suyu. Arada var fark ettim.
How much is
Buyurun.
Efendi?
Yes.
Arada fark ettin mi? Evet.
Efendi.
Hangi efendim?
Pasha. Two.
Two.
Yeah.
Bugün ne
And
sıkacağız?
Give
Buyurun.
me 10.
Then more.
Yes, 10 more.
Kaç tane var oğlum ya? Gelmeyin oğlum, bomba var. Zehir koydum portakalın içine, içmeyin. Yeter artık, anam dilim ağladı. Buyurun.
I'm Bilal Muhammad. I'm working the mosque. Just help tourists free. And we are students. We just make practice English, Arabic, Russian, and little bit also other language. And he's my friend. Just give him some information about history, Blue Mosque, and the Sophia Hippodrome, about Bazaar. Then let's start it. This is Sultan entrance. And this is also Sultan balcony. Come here, please. Yeah. And this one is Sultan balcony. And this is Sultan entrance. Okay. And people when they come the mosque, this is for respect the mosque. Okay. This is like that. For example, you waiting there. When people come in the mosque, they have to respect for that one.
Oh, to bow their head.
Yeah, this is it's mean. If you are king, also you have to respect the mosque. Follow me. This is mihrab entrance. Mihrab entrance. It's mean. Mihrab. It's mean 5 times pray in the day. You know, 5 times pray in the day. This is it mean mihrab entrance. Look.
So it's a mihrab, right?
Yeah, mihrab. Yeah.
Oh,
You
mihrab.
see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's mean 5 times pray in the day. Mihrab entrance. Ottoman, all the door design, mihrab design. For example, this is not entrance of mosque, but this is mihrab.
Okay.
Yeah, let me give you some information about
It
it.
also mihrab mean Arabic is a minar tower.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Sure, there's Blue Mosque original name Sultanahmet Cami. Turkish people call it Sultanahmet. Only Korean call it Blue Mosque. And Blue Mosque architect Sedefkar Mehmet Aga. Mehmet Aga started 1609, 1616 finish it. 7 years they building Blue Mosque. And when you go inside the Blue Mosque, height the Blue Mosque 43, wide 23 meters, total 1,550 square meters inside the Blue Mosque. Why they tell Blue Mosque? Because of there is inside the Blue Mosque 21,043 is in tiles, all blue color, cooked also inside the Blue Mosque blue color. That's why they say Blue Mosque. And Blue Mosque original name Sultanahmet Cami. And who is building Blue Mosque? Sultanahmet I is building Blue Mosque. And Blue Mosque architect Sedefkar Mehmet Aga. And they finished it 7 years. Why they finished it 7 years? Because of Sedefkar Mehmet Aga, he's student of Mimar Sinan. Sedefkar Mehmet Aga, he's very smart, you know. And they finished it 7 years Blue Mosque. Why? Because of they're working with 6,000 people. They're working 3,000 people day, 3,000 people night. Total 24 hours they're working. That's why they finished it 7 years.
Wow.
And you can go to inside the Blue Mosque. There is a mihrab, a minbar. Mihrab, I tell you already, 5 times pray in the day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means 5 times pray in the day. And meanwhile, only Friday, beside the mihrab, only Friday, and our Bayram, our holiday, Ramazan Bayram, Kurban Bayram, Imam give information for Muslim people. And Blue Mosque, there is a 4, 11 feet, 8 special name. Name Allah, name Muhammad, Hazreti Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and 4 disciples, Abu Bakr, Osman, Ali, and Ömer, and Hazreti Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam niece Hassan Hussein. There is a total 8 special name in the mosque. In the mosque. And Blue Mosque, there is a 6 tower. So Blue Mosque, there is inside the 6. There is a 4 mosque, 6 tower, 6 minarets. Because normal mosque minimum 1 tower, maximum 4 tower. Okay. Blue Mosque have 6 tower because of Sultanahmet says Sadakar Mehmet Aga make a 4 tower all the with gold and Turkish language gold and 6 same words. Gold it means 6, 6. That's why same words when I called you here. And he make me strong understand. And now they make a 6 tower for mosque and Sultanahmet it means 4 tower all the with gold. But Sadakar Mehmet Aga this time is gold not enough and that's why he make a 6 tower.
Oh, okay.
From here. This is also from here you can go to Topkapı Palace, Sultanahmet around Hagia Sophia, Basilica Sistine, yes, yere batan sarnıcı, Sirkeci sahil yolu, it's mean Bosphorus place, and this is from airport. So, there is also Topkapı Palace, Topkapı Saray, Turkish language, Topkapı Palace in English,
Yeah.
and Topkapı Palace there is inside the Topkapı is Hazreti Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam feet area. There is clothes, there is many sultan room, many sultan clothes, and Kösem Sultan. You know Kösem Sultan is very famous, and also inside there is also Kösem Sultan room, and Hürrem Sultan also room there is there inside. There is the Magnura Palace. Magnura Palace is very, each is very old, very older, and the old
Yeah.
palace. But I am just have a little bit information to this palace.
Okay.
We are student, you know, we are not
Very good. Very
perfect.
good. So where is the Grand Bazaar? Is
You
from
can
here?
go in the Grand Bazaar from your street and turn left. But first, I want to show you my shop. Just have a look. I'll show you
Okay.
some.
Oh, that's
but
your
close
shop.
video, okay?
Okay. All right. Sure.
We give you
And
information.
hold on. It's a
Pazar
car.
Abdülhamit.
Okay. So
Gel Mehmet abi gel. From here,
carpet shop and yeah.
we have a carpet, Turkish light, chocolate, herbal tea. These are herbal tea. This is relaxed tea, energy tea, for jiggy jiggy bunga bunga party,
All right.
antioxidant, Hürrem Sultan, and lose weight tea. And I will show you upstairs. This is saffron. We say
Saffron.
red gold, and this is natural perfume, no alcohol. Follow me. Brother.
And the spices. Okay guys, that's a carpet shop upstairs, and downstairs they have saffron and different spices, perfume, and you can name it. Okay, so that's his
Yes,
shop.
please. In your home.
Yeah, nice shop here, right? Okay.
And I give you some information about carpet, okay?
Uh-huh.
Mehmet abi video kapatsana mı? If you want, you can take a video, no problem.
Okay.
It's up to you, but if you want the comfortable, you can without video better for you. You can drink something also. My cousin Mr. Mehmet, he give you information. He live in US also,
Ah.
7 years.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. How are you?
Where are you from?
I was born in Pakistan, but for the last 35 years I'm in the USA. So, his brother.
Well, my name is Mehmet. I'm a carpet expert. My father and my grandfather, they were both carpet producers.
Okay.
While you're gonna rest, enjoy your tea, I would like to give you some
Yeah, yes,
information.
please, you can have a seat.
Okay, so these are all Turkish carpet, or
All Turkish.
Iranian, Pakistani, and all those
All
things?
Turkish.
All
Turkish
Turkish.
carpets are the only one in the entire world which are double knitted.
Okay.
Because of that, regarding the carpet experts all around the world, they are known as the best and the most durable of the world. We are one of the biggest producers in Turkey. We work with the control of governments and getting their support. So with the government support, we have worldwide door-to-door free shipping. When I say free shipping, I don't only mean shipping expenses, but customs, duties, taxes, wherever you live in the world, you don't pay a cent extra, because I get my expenses back from the government as an export rebate. Like these pieces, they're all going to be shipped to the United States, for example. And shipping time 2 weeks. That's why we make people sign the back of the carpet they purchase, so when they receive it, they could recognize it and be sure that's the exact same piece.
Right.
It's also will be shipped with an official certificate. Lifetime warranty covers everything. And honestly, prices are 50% down now because of the COVID-19. If someone told me 2 years ago we could try to sell this quality with prices since COVID-19 started, I would never believe.
So what kind of prices are there?
These are all handmade.
People will watch video and they will know. I mean, what kind of money?
Price range is huge because it's handmade. It's not machine.
Right.
I mean, we have handmade carpets for you people to use all their life and pass to their next generations for $250, $300, but as well as for $80,000, $90,000. So depending on the piece, depending on the workmanship, number of knives, all changes.
Okay.
The price is it's huge.
Right. Now, if somebody watch here, or probably he's already in this business, and he say, okay, why not I contact that person?
I mean, just to give you one small example. Look, this is
no, when somebody wanted to buy wholesale or something.
Yeah. Wholesale is a different story. It's a different story. Look, this is 100% silk, cocoon silk, 4 by 6 feet side, by one girl. This piece completed in 14 months.
Wow.
Normally, this is a little bit over $3,000 piece. Normally,
okay.
But now it's $1,500. Shipped till your doorstep. But I swear, in a regular season, if there was no COVID-19, regular season, high season, I don't normally sell same size wool carpet for $1,500.
Right. So the guys, that's a $1,500. It's a really nice piece.
Pure silk.
Pure silk. Yeah, and it's feel like silk. Nice. Okay. Hey, guy, downstairs shop, like I was telling you, spices and different sweets.
This one is with the almonds.
And this,
without sugar.
yeah, that's
just
his
with the honey.
uncle shop.
Yes.
And
Hello. We have with the almonds, with the pistachio, with caramel, with lemon. We have with the pomegranate, with the rose flower cover, with chocolate, Nutella with the pistachio. You have 1 year time to keep it. But if you want to eat them, you slice it. You don't slice it all, 1 to 1. Not in the fridge, in the room temperature. You have 1 year time to keep it. This is for the kilo prices, 250, 350, 400. But for you all is 200 lira kilo. I give you discount.
200
1
lira.
kilo mean 4 pieces like this. 1 kilo. We have boxes.
So
we can
200
also
lira
seal
for
it.
1 kilo, guys.
Yes, we can also seal it. This is the 1 kilo boxes, 4 pieces. I have also bigger boxes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
And
we
the
also dried fruits,
Dry
dried
fruits
nuts,
and everything.
and cheese. We have
How much
Turkey-
is this saffron thing goes for?
So,
How much is this saffron?
this is
saffron?
Iranian. Iranian is cheap. I
Iranian
show
is
you.
cheap.
Let me show you in the water.
How much is Iranian and how much is the other
Yeah,
one?
I show you. I show you. I give you information. Iranian saffron is with the sulfur. 3 gram like this is 400 lira.
Okay.
This is 3 gram like this. You see, without sulfur is bigger one. Yeah, it's 800 lira. This one is Turkish saffron. This, if you drink this saffron in the morning before your breakfast, like this, turn the color yellow. Cold, warm water doesn't matter. It's good for the arthritis, asthma, diabetes, cholesterol. It's not only for cooking. Iranian saffron is with the synthetic mix. This one is not to drink. It's menthol. Just smell it, please.
Yeah, it's
This
a
menthol.
strong.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a mint, guys.
Menthol, yes.
Yeah, but it's very strong.
This
one.
menthol is smaller, 200 lira. This is 300 lira.
Okay.
And this one you can taste it, sir. It's turned the color yellow already.
Yeah.
It's healthy.
So
Medicine. You can
the
see
water
also
was
in the
clean
Google.
before. Now just
Yeah.
put it a little one, and now it's turning yellow.
Yeah.
Wow. And in the morning, if you drink this one. It's very good for your health. That's
But
why
you
saffron
can-
is
you
not
can-
easy to find.
Yeah, you can see also in Google for what is it good medicine saffron.
Okay.
You can see in the Google. This stuff, yeah,
Take a lot. Okay, so
this is all fruit tea, what you drink. With
Oh,
pomegranate tea, apple tea, but with the fruit sugar, not chemical sugar.
all right. Okay, those are nice information. If anybody interested
If you
to
want
come here,
anything else,
and there
we
are
can
many
all
people in
seal
a,
it, vacuum seal it.
yeah, many people in Hagia Sophia and
Korean
near
India,
to Blue
Korean.
Mosque. They are there and they talk to the people. And if somebody interested in buying carpet or anything like that, they bring them to their shops. And if you like something, definitely the saffron thing and those different flavor teas, fruit flavor, and those are spices, I believe.
Yes.
Yeah. And this side is dry fruit and sweets.
like
1 kilo was 400 lira.
No, 250.
250.
200.
250. So yeah, that's it. And I'll give you the tour of rest of the Grand Bazaar now.